Do you think Mom is still alive?
Your mother believed there were worlds beyond ours.
Maybe she was right. Whoa. Wow. Whoa! It! Found it! I'm sorry.
I didn't leave you. I went somewhere I couldn't return from. There is a world called Aurelia, and it is dying. The heart is failing. You are the only one who can restart it.
Mom, you found this?
Where are you? I'm still here. My consciousness is inside the heart.
Lumi.
The people of Aurelia called it the heart, but something woke beneath the planet. We called it the void.
Run!
If you're seeing this, the planet has chosen you.
Mom?
I couldn't come back, but you can. Protect the heart.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Mom! I don't know how!
Believe in yourself. You did it.
I knew you were still here. I'll come back.
Mia! What is that?
Mom left me a map.
There's still more to discover.